is Scooby's adorable doghouse. By the way, that's my dog. Well, my family's dog. But this is his sign, Scooby's home. It says friends. It says family. That says home. That says no cats allowed. There's a cat right there. Nothing like home, that's what it says. And this is his adorable house. I decorated it and I made it all cozy in the inside. We want to go inside. See this little areas. This is an adorable house.
Hi, honey.
That's my grandma.
Hello. How are you? Are you in your tiny home?
I'm actually just doing a review on and taking video of it.
Awesome. Gotta show him what it looks like.
And this is the inside. That's his little toy.
So sweet, honey.
That's his other little toy hanging up.
That cat is
That's the
so
flashlight. This is his cozy bed. And I've got to say, it's really adorable. Well, thanks guys for watching it. This was really nice of you, and I hope you enjoyed it. But this was all decorated by me. Bye.